Hello friends, today we are going to start a new chapter for class 6 physics, which is force. This is chapter 3 which we are considering here. In this video we are going to take up the first unit of this, which is force and its effect. In this we will study what is force. We will try to explain the different effects of force and the different kind of forces which are present in our surrounding. Fine. So, let us start without any further delay. The first thing that comes to our mind is what is force. Now, imagine that you are going for a school picnic. एक school picnic पर आप जा रहे हैं and somehow there is a problem in the battery of the bus. Now, it will stop. Now, the driver asks you to push the bus. Now, you can see these children are pushing the bus and after some time it gets started. So, what is this? What they are doing? They are applying a force. Now, they are applying the force in this direction and bus is also moving in the same direction. That means when we apply the force on any body and the body moves away from us, like if I have this mouse, fine, I am applying a force over it and this mouse is moving away from me. फाइन. सो अगर फोर्स अप्लाई करने से जो बॉडी है वो आपसे दूर जाती है, इट मूव्स अवे फ्रॉम यू, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज पुश. फाइन. सो वी हैव पुश, दैट मीन्स वी आर अप्लाइंग अ फोर्स एंड द बॉडी इज मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम अस, दैट इज पुश. नाउ लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक रेनी सीजन का जो डोर है वो रेनी सीजन में फिक्स हो जाते हैं and it becomes very difficult to open them. So you will have to hold the door very firmly, very tightly, and you will have to pull it towards yourself. Then the door comes towards you. So when you apply a force and the body comes closer to you, बॉडी जो है वो आपके पास आती है. सो आपने क्या किया, ये डोर था, डोर को खोलने के लिए फोर्स अप्लाई की और डोर आप जब खोलोगे इट विल कम टुवर्ड्स यू, आपके पास आएगा डोर. फाइन. देन दिस इज कॉल्ड एज पुल. सो पुश जब बॉडी आपसे दूर जाती है फोर्स अप्लाई करके, एंड पुल व्हेन द बॉडी कम्स नियर यू आफ्टर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फोर्स. फाइन. सो दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ पुश एंड पुल. नाउ we have studied what is push, what is pull. Now, a very simple term, force is defined as push or pull. When you apply a force on anybody, any object, what you are doing, whether you are pushing it or you are pulling it. Fine. So, any kind of pull or push, that is called as force. Fine. Now comes effect of force. Force के effects क्या होते हैं? What are the different effects of force? Now first one is a force can cause a motion in the stationary object. Stationary मतलब which is not moving. So कोई भी fix object है, like if there is a table lying in your room, fine, when you apply a force over it, when you push it, it moves in another direction. So एक stationary थी वो, without moving थी, move नहीं कर रही थी, so it start moving. Like similarly, you can see I have shown you, this is a mouse, this is not moving at all. Fine. Now if I apply a force over it, it has started moving. Fine. So when you apply a force, it can make any stationary object moving. That is one effect of your force. The another one is like force can stop moving the objects or slow down them. Force किसी भी object को it can stop moving, like you are riding on a cycle. आप एक बाईसाइकिल राइड कर रहे हैं and if somebody holds you from the back, पीछे से किसी ने आपको खींच लिया तो क्या होगा, आपकी साइकिल या तो धीरे हो जाएगी या फिर एकदम से स्टॉप हो जाएगी. सो यू आर अप्लाइंग, यू आर पुलिंग द बाईसाइकिल. फाइन. सो एक फोर्स जो है वो मोशन को स्टॉप भी कर सकती है और स्लो डाउन भी कर सकती है. We have taken the example of bicycle, in which if we pull the bicycle from the back, it will stop or slow down. Third one, force can make moving object move faster. एक already एक object था जो move कर रहा था, the force can make that object to move faster. अगर बाईसाइकिल पर ही हम पीछे से, if this is your bicycle, फाइन, सो इसको हम पीछे से पुश करते हैं, सो द बाईसाइकिल वॉज ऑलरेडी मूविंग, पहले से ही मूव कर रही थी, तो वो और ज़्यादा फास्ट मूव करने लगेगी इफ़ यू स्टार्ट पुशिंग इट, आप उसको पुश करते हो. सिमिलरली इफ यू कैन सी दिस डायग्राम, इन दिस डायग्राम ऑल्सो like this person is pulling this cart. Now along with this, अगर ये एक और बॉय जो है इसको पुश करता है फ्रॉम द बैक, ऑब्वियसली द स्पीड ऑफ द कार्ट विल इंक्रीज. फाइन, सो फोर्स कैन मेक द ऑब्जेक्ट टू मूव फास्टर if you are applying the force in the same direction. Now force can change the direction of the motion. अब एक ऑलरेडी एक बॉल थी, the ball was moving in this direction. Fine, the ball has been thrown by the bowler towards the batsman. ये क्रिकेट बॉल है, एक बैट्समैन के पास उसने फेंकी, so it moved in this direction. Then what will happen? The batsman will hit it hard and it will go somewhere in a different direction and with a different speed. Fine, so जो force है that can change the direction of the ball, or that same thing happens in the football also. The ball keeps coming from one player to another player, they keeps on kicking it and keeps on changing the direction of the ball. Fine. Now next is the force can change the shape of the object. जो force है वो direction को भी change कर सकती है, speed को change कर सकती है. And the next one is your, it can change the shape. Like you can see, this is a spring. Originally its length was this much. When you have pulled it, the shape of the spring has changed. Fine. So this is how the force can change the shape of the any object. Now force cannot cause any effect on the mass. अब shape तो change हो गई, लेकिन mass जो है वो हमेशा fix रहता है. Mass you already know, this is the amount of matter contained in any body. किसी भी बॉडी में कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं या कितने एटम्स हैं वो तो फिक्स है ना. अगर हम उसको ऊपर फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स वी आर चेंजिंग इट्स पोजीशन, स्पीड, वी आर नॉट चेंजिंग इट्स मास. सो मास ऑलवेज रिमेन्स फिक्स्ड when you apply the force. Fine. So force is an external agent which changes or tend to change the state of rest or uniform motion of the body or changes the direction. अब force एक external agent है, एक external way है किस चीज़ के लिए, या तो उसकी हमें position change करनी है, direction change करनी है, उसको motion में लाना है. So all these things are being done by the force. Now force is always applied using something. We use some connector. Connector मतलब जो दो चीज़ों को connect करता है. Fine. So that connector जो है वो हमारे पास rigid मतलब fix. This is your rigid connector. These are the flexible ones like any rope or any thread. So this is also a connector. We can connect these, any of the two objects using them also, or a fixed rod also. This is the example of rod. Rod की length breadth fix होती है, लेकिन जो ये है ये flexible होता है, whose length can reduce or can increase depending on the way we are using it. Fine. So these both can be used as connector, rope as well as rods, but the difference is that one is fixed or rigid and another one is your non-rigid connector. Fine. So using these rigid connector you can only push. आप push कर सकते हो किसी चीज़ को. Like if I have this one, this I can push it. We can pull a cart by attaching a rope or a rigid handle of metal or wood. If I have connected my kit with this thread, so I can pull it. You can see I am able to pull it. Fine. But I cannot push it using this. इसको यूज करके मैं इसको पुश नहीं कर सकती. कैन आई पुश इट? नो, आई कैन जस्ट पुल इट. फाइन. यूजिंग दिस कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्सेस. कॉन्टैक्ट मतलब जो टच करती हैं. ऑल फोर्सेस विच एक्ट ऑन अ बॉडी डायरेक्टली. लाइक पुश करने के लिए हम डायरेक्टली उसको टच करते हैं. वेयर कनेक्टर इज कनेक्टेड विद इट. मे बी आवर हैंड, मे बी अ रॉड, मे बी एनी रोप. When they are connected, body is directly through a connector, then they are contact forces. यानी कि किसी भी बॉडी को अगर हम डायरेक्टली टच करके फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं, that will be your contact forces. and non-contact force is if you're not touching the body directly. For example, magnetic force. So if this is a coin, I'm not touching it, am I? See, I'm not touching it, but still it is, it is facing the force. Fine. So these are non-contact forces like magnetic force, electrical force or gravitational force. These are non-contact forces. The next force that we are going to consider is consequential force. This is the force which do not exist on their own. खुद से ये force जो है वो exist नहीं करती, but it comes into play when some other force is being applied. Like we have muscular force. That means the force that we are applying through our muscles. For example, using our muscles when we throw a ball. We are throwing a ball. Now the ball rolls on the ground for some distance and after some time it stops. Now why it stops? We have applied a muscular force here and after some time this ball stops. Why? Because of the frictional force. Because of the frictional force. So this frictional force which came into existence because of application of this muscular force on the ball, that is called as consequential force. So it is not the direct force. It was never there. It came into existence after the application of one type of force. Same is the case with the spring. Like if we have a spring and we pull it, that means we are applying a muscular force here by pulling it. When we leave it, it stretches, then expands, stretches and expands. And this stretch and expansion is due to the tension arised into it. So this tension is consequential force which came into existence because of this force. Fine. So that is your consequential force. The consequential forces can be defined as a force which is called into play or which comes into play when a force is applied on the object. आपने कोई force apply object की, उसके बाद में जो खुद से होगा अपने आप generate हुई force, that is your consequential force. Fine. Then comes force in nature. There are some forces which are existing in the nature also, like the muscular force. That means force of our muscles. We get, this is also called as biological force, the force produced by the muscles of the living beings. In this, we use our own force, जहाँ पर हमें अपनी फोर्स अप्लाई करने से रिजल्ट्स नहीं मिलते और एक्सट्रीम लार्ज फोर्सेस आर नीडेड, वहाँ पर वी यूज द एनिमल्स लाइक you have donkeys, camels, horses. So you are using the muscular force of human beings as well as animals. Fine. Then and you get energy from your food. Mechanical forces, the force generated by the machines, like you have different kind of machines like car, in different engines are there which burn the petrol or the diesel or the CNG. The energy is being burnt to get the force, required force in the machines, maybe a boat, car, any machine you take, grinder, mixer grinders. Then comes gravitational force, the force applied by the earth in pulling the objects towards itself. जो अर्थ है वो different objects को अपनी और attract करती है with this gravitational force. Then is magnetic force. We have already seen the force by which the different magnetic materials attract the steel, nickel, cobalt and iron towards itself. You can see this is a magnet which is going to attract all of them towards itself. Fine. So this is the force of attraction by which the magnetic material or magnets they attract or repel. They repel also the iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. Fine. These are called as this is included in the magnetic force. So this was all about this chapter. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get the latest update. Thank you. Thanks for watching.